Welcome back. To access the correct features, you'll first need to select your role. For this tutorial, we'll continue with the Trader role. From the main dashboard, navigate to and select the Financial Instrument option. The Financial Instrument page opens, providing you with two choices: View Financial Instrument and Transfer Financial Instrument. Tapping on View Financial Instrument takes you to a page displaying all your listing records, including both financial and failed financial instruments. You can also use the search bar to look up specific failed financial instruments. If you want to see the detailed information of any record, simply tap on the specific listing. The full details will then open. In this detail view, you'll find comprehensive information pertaining to that financial instrument. Back on the list view, remember you can also utilize the search functionality to easily find specific financial instruments records. To initiate a transfer, go back and tap the Transfer Financial Instrument option. On the Transfer Financial Instrument page, you will see a list of existing transfers. To start a new one, tap the New Request button. Finally, on this page, you can also use the search bar to locate specific Transfer Financial Instrument records you may have previously created.